Today I will share with you 3 different types of videos that will fit into your niche and skyrocket your views on your channel and make it more fun and easy to produce content. So in order for me to figure this out, I needed to do a bunch of research. I've been watching a bunch of videos and I've been planning this video out for several months now. First up, we have what I like to call the hero video. This is the type of video where you spend almost all of your energy and time on. It takes a lot of time. It's a passion project. Let's say you have a cooking channel and you make food and food related videos and you decide to show off a secret recipe. That will be your hero video. You show off a secret recipe, you give a kitchen tour, or maybe you show something secret about your cooking technique or something. That is your hero video. The hero video is all about making that big splash to grow your audience, to get more subscribers and views. The second type of video is what I would like to call the consistent niche related videos. These videos can be reviews, it can be an unboxing of a product or something that is related to your niche, but it doesn't take all of your energy and it's just for your audience to come back and to subscribe to your channel. And finally, my 100% passion video. This is my creative playground. These types of videos are mostly for me to just keep the ball rolling and keep the channel alive. I will make sure to have it somewhat in the niche that I'm making videos of, but it's just for me to keep my mind off the other videos and I can just keep on going, have a bit of fun with it. These videos may not get the most views, it can, but it's just to mix it up a bit. Remember, the key to success, if it's YouTube or something else, is to have your mind relaxed a bit, clear, have your focus on the right thing. Don't overwork, don't be overwhelmed as much. It's okay to work a little bit, but if you follow these steps and you have one passion project, you have one a bit more relaxed project that are also in your niche, and one 100% just fun, creative video, because you don't overwork on just one video, you can be a bit creative, you can relax a bit, and you can keep the momentum flowing and have fun with it. And if you are still a bit unsure on how you can film a video, watch this video right here, because then I will show you how you can use lights and cameras and stuff to make your YouTube studio and make it more fun. I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjorn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.